Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqara. وَإِذَا طَلَّقْتُمُ النِّسَاءَ فَبَلَغْنَ أَجَلَهُنَّ فَأَمْسِكُوهُنَّ بِمَعْرُوفٍ أَوْ سَرِّحُوهُنَّ بِمَعْرُوفٍ ولا تمسكوهن ضرارا لتعتدوا ومن يفعل ذلك فقد ظلم نفسه ولا تتخذوا آيات الله هزوا واذكروا نعمة الله عليكم وما أنزل عليكم من الكتاب والحكمة يعظكم به واتقوا الله واعلموا أن الله بكل شيء عليم. Translation: And when you divorce women and they have reached their waiting period, then either retain them in kindness or release them with honor and kindness. Do not keep them with ill intention to hurt them, taking undue advantage to transgress. And whoever does this, he indeed harms himself and his soul. Do not take verses of Allah in mockery, and remember the blessing of Allah upon you and what He revealed to you from the book and wisdom, and by which He instructs you, and be pious, fearing Allah, and know that Allah is knowing of all the things. There are three main commandments in this ayah. Number one, not to harm the divorced women. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said that if someone gives divorce, that is talaq raja'i, to his wife, and if he does not want to go back to her, let her go with kindness, and do not retain her in the time of iddat, so that you can keep her more with you to harm her. And there was an Ansari who did that, and he wanted to harm his wife, and that's why he would go back to her when the iddat is about to end, just to prolong that period. And Allah sent this ayah that it must not be done. So if somebody is doing anything like this, in reality he is transgressing not on that person or that woman, but he is transgressing on himself. He is doing something bad for himself, because he will have to answer this to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who knows everything. And then another commandment here is that one must not make mockery of the ayats of Allah. These commandments regarding the nikah, regarding the divorce or talaq or ila or khula or raja'at or halala that we studied, these have lots of wisdom and lots of reasoning behind it. And if somebody is just using these laws to harm anyone else or to get some worldly benefit, they are actually mocking the laws of Allah. And in the end, Allah said that remember the favors of Allah, that He gave the wisdom and He gave the book to us. Now if somebody is taking these ayahs and not acting on them, they are doing a great injustice to the book. And Allah is all knowing. So if somebody is doing anything with bad intention, Allah knows that, and he has to answer to Allah about that transgression. So let's pray to Allah that Allah give us true understanding of the Quranic commandments and help us act on these commandments. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.